Hey, Wife Burger.
Hey, Husband Burger.
What are we doing today?
Oh, we came out to Slide Park Recreation Area and we are paddling on Jenkinson Lake. We've been here one time with some friends to swim, but we have never launched our kayak on this reservoir before, so we're really excited to explore and see what it's all about.
Well, Wife Burger, let's see what we see.
Let's see what we see. Just launched from the Stonebreaker Day Use boat launch area. And now we're doing a little exploring. We expected a little bit more water out here, but it looks like the water's pretty low. So maybe we'll have to turn around and explore the other side. This is kind of magical. The water is sparkling behind these geese right now. It is so beautiful. Magic. I was thinking maybe we go over here, where it's a little bit, I think it's shadier over here anyway. We have anchored here in the shade, and we're going to have a picnic on our boat. Hey, Husband Burger.
Hey, Wife Burger.
What do we have for lunch?
Well, I got a banana right now, and then some turkey sandwiches.
Turkey sandos.
Looks like there's apples in there, some pretzels, some carrots. Good, like, fuel food.
All right.
Yeah.
And how's the paddle been so far, huh?
You know, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not quite in the zone.
Feeling a little rusty.
I'm feeling a little rusty. We haven't paddled since before Barbados, and that was in July, and it's October now. So I'm feeling a little rusty, and also that other side of the lake, the water was really low, and I don't know, that just makes me think about things. So it's nice to be over here. There's a really good backdrop behind you. The watercolor looks cool over here. There's lots of life over here. So this is a little bit more like energy on this side where we're at right now. That was a little low back there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we still have a lot of reservoir to explore.
We sure do.
We started out in the area where the speed limit is 5 miles per hour, but there's also the 15 mile per hour area just around this bend. And we were trying to avoid the wake from some of the motorized watercraft, but I think we're going to brave it and go check out that larger area of Jenkinson Lake. Since this space is a lot more shallow and dried up.
Yeah, let's see what the other side has to offer.
Yes, but plenty of adventure still to be had.
Yeah, plenty of adventure. We just got here. I say it every video, but we just got started.
So we'll enjoy our lunch, and then we will check out the other half of the lake.
The fish in these parts aren't into sandwich bread.
Well, you shouldn't be feeding them anyway.
If I don't feed them, who's going to feed them?
I think they're capable of feeding themselves.
Got another paddler out here today.
A few of them. Wow, the sun is looking really pretty. Streaming down like that, causing all this beautiful sparkles on the water. My water bottle camouflages.
Hey, where'd your water bottle go? Oh, there it is. Hey, where's your water? Oh, there it is.
This is what we're here for. Some beautiful views, lovely water, quietude and relaxation. So we're kind of paddling from shade spot to shade spot. Checking out this reservoir along the way. Pretty awesome place to hang out. I'd like to come back and hike around the lake, I think.
I would too.
We should spend a day doing that.
I feel like, yeah, it's not that big of a lake. I feel like we could get around it. We wouldn't have any problem with that hike. That'd be fun. That'd be really fun. We're in the middle of the lake now.
The middle of the lake. Whoa.
It's wakey over here.
It is. I don't even see any motorboats, do
There are
you?
none.
Why is it so wakey? Just the wind?
Here's a cool little cove. What's left up
With
here?
the teepee. Hey, husband burger.
Hey, wife burger.
What happened to your legs?
We decided to pull the boat over and explore a little bit, and immediately got out and completely sunk in the mud. Like, I mean, almost up to my knees. You sunk too. Like, it's some sinking mud over here. Yeah.
I guess because what we're actually walking on is what used to be the bottom of the reservoir. We just sunk right in. You can see the footholes here. What attracted us is this teepee thing up here. We want to go check it out. But we've also noticed these very interesting tracks. A couple different kinds of tracks.
Those are big tracks.
Bear, maybe. Also, dog. Or perhaps raccoon. Ooh, they seem to have the same trouble as we did, whatever or whoever it was. We're on solid ground now. We're gonna check out this area a little bit. This is a pretty good adventure, husband burger.
Yeah, this is turning into a good adventure, isn't it? Yeah.
We're getting into it.
When I started sinking in that mud, I put my paddle like this. I watched Man vs. Wild. I know what to do.
Wow. Who built this? Very cool. You going in?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in. Paddle right there.
Yeah. How's it feel?
Feels great. I live here now.
Okay, it's our new home.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
I'm going in. Oh, there's some spider webs in here. Hopefully nothing that bites. Oh, very cool.
Isn't it a cool perspective?
Yes. There's my husband burger. There's our boat. That's a pretty sick spot. Well, getting out of the boat was a bit precarious. But look at this view. Pretty awesome. A motorized vessel just passed by, and now we're going for a ride on the wake. Woo! Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I mean,
That was exciting.
pretty tame, but also pretty fun.
Yeah, pretty fun.
So what do you think about this adventure, Husband Burger?
It took me a while to get in the zone. It really did. It took me a while to get in the zone. But I'm in the zone now, and I'm so glad that we came and did this today, that we had this just weekday, daytime adventure. It's been so much fun. And yeah, and there was a minute there where it was just so quiet. Like it was just, the silence was deafening. You know, the quietude was next level.
Absolute.
Yeah. We are about, look at this, that boat's wake is pushing us inland.
Oh, wow. So the wake pushed us back into land after we had just launched. There's that teepee that we were exploring. And now we might be able to get back on track. And we have turned around and are heading back to the launch site to pack up. We've got to go back to where that white car is. Whoa, look at the quartz over there. That was like gleaming. Adventurers! Adventure burgers! Adventure burgers!
Adventure burgers!
Adventure burgers! We're dorks. Whoa.
Green. Oh, it's so vibrant.
Wow. Look at you guys. I got it. Bye-bye, Merganser. Jenkinson Lake at the Sly Park Recreation Area. Shall we call it an adventure?
Let's call it an adventure.
We'll be back.